In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reverse a clip in OpenShot. First, make sure you have OpenShot open and your video already placed on the timeline, which is the editing panel along the bottom of the window. The timeline is where clips appear as colored blocks on tracks. If your video is visible there, you're ready. Next, hover your mouse over the clip you want to reverse and right-click it. A context menu will appear. From this menu, move to the Time option. Time controls how the clip plays back. Choose Normal to keep the standard speed, then select Backward, and finally click 1x. This tells OpenShot to play the clip at regular speed but in reverse direction. Give OpenShot a moment to apply the change. On longer or higher resolution clips, it may take a few seconds. You can now press play in the preview window to watch your clip run backward from end to beginning. If your clip includes sound, the audio will also be reversed. That's expected and useful for some effects, but if it sounds distracting, consider muting the clip's audio or using a separate forward-playing audio track. In case you're curious, the time menu includes faster and slower settings. Those change speed as well as direction. By choosing Normal and 1x, we're telling OpenShot to keep the timing as recorded, simply flipped in direction. That makes movement feel natural while still delivering the reverse effect. Playback performance can depend on your computer. If the preview stutters, that won't affect the final render. It's a habit to save before and after big changes, so you can revert if you experiment with different timing options. If you don't see the time option or backward 1x is grayed out, double check that you right-click the clip on the timeline, not in the media bin, and that the clip border is highlighted, indicating it's selected. If you change your mind, you can right-click again and pick Time, Normal, Forward, 1x to restore regular playback, or simply use Undo. A quick tip on workflow: because this adjustment is non-destructive, your original media file stays untouched. The reversal lives only in your project, so you can safely experiment without risk. When you're satisfied, play through a few seconds to confirm there are no stutters or unexpected cuts at the boundaries where the reverse clip meets other clips. And that's it. With just a right-click and Time, Normal, Backward, 1x, you can create instant reverse footage for dramatic reveals, visual interest, or to correct direction in motion shots. Save your project to keep the change, and you're ready to continue editing or move on to exporting your final video.